She's back, y'all. Got the Jeep back here at the house, man. She is ready. She's all fixed up. Got a lot of stuff fixed on. What I needed to get fixed on, actually, got the clutch replaced. The whole clutch. Got a clutch kit for it. Show y'all my old parts that I had back here. This right here is my pressure plate. This is my actual clutch right there. What was going bad was the main reason why I wanted to get it replaced. The throwout bearing here. It was going bad, and you could tell when I drove, man, every time I tried to shift or every time I pushed in, my clutch was loud, screeching on it. It was screaming at me. I was like, man, so I knew this had to get replaced right there. But as everything goes, man, nothing goes as planned. Had to buy some extra parts. This is the clutch kit right here. My buddy had one of these for the actual this model Jeep and everything. It's like that. But I had to buy a new piece. I forget what this piece right here is called, but this actual piece right here, this is my throwout bearing right here, and this is part of my transmission. And it got so hot before I stopped driving my Jeep, man, before I had to sit it down. So what happened was the throwout bearing here seized up on the transmission, and it got so hot after I actually stopped driving, like I felt like my clutch get real hard. I could barely push it in, and what happened, it seized up onto the piece of the transmission here, and it actually broke off. So I had to replace that also, man. But yeah, this is another piece of the throwout bearing here. Pressure plate done lost all kinds of teeth, man. But yeah, we got a whole new clutch on this thing now, man. Clutch kit, replace this part of my transmission. I forget what that's called. I was trying to get my buddy to put on my dry shaft, but I couldn't get that done yet. What I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to get my dry shaft machine a little bit. It needs to be a little bit shorter, I think, because my Jeep is raced up, man. We're gonna have to make it a little bit shorter so I can get that thing on there. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all for a little test ride so y'all can hear this thing right quick, man. She sound good now. She purring like a cat now. She just be growling. I had out at my buddy's house. He got a garage, but I knew after he got done working on it, he had it sitting outside, so I had to throw the top on it. The windows and stuff in this thing. I'm about to take the windows out right quick. I'm gonna leave the top on. I feel like taking the top off this shit. I don't know if it's gonna rain out here or not. And in the process, man, I'm so mad. I lost my back window when he was hauling it down there on the back of his trailer, man. Lost my back window to that joint. It flew out somewhere down the road. We couldn't find it. I was like, it'd be all right. Had to give me another one. Think about getting a whole new top, man, like during the winter time anyway, though. But we had to see, though. Because usually when I take that top off, it'd be a while before I put that thing back on. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give y'all a little test run so y'all see what this thing sounds like now. Sounding good, y'all. We ain't got no loud squeaking at all. Going into the gears real good. She doing all right. She doing all right. I might give her a little bath tomorrow or something. I don't know. But yeah, man, I just want to let y'all know what I got done to the Jeep so far. More Jeep videos here to come. She was down for about 2 to 3 weeks, man. I wasn't riding it. Yeah, she's back on the road now. We back ready, back in these streets. So we about to see some more videos come out soon, man. Next thing we're gonna be trying to get is the 4x4 working. So hopefully we can get that going soon, and we can hit up some of these trails, man. Get out here in these woods somewhere. Let y'all see what we're looking like out here. Out here in my city, they just redone this little park or whatnot. City of the White Bridge. But yeah, man, this is gonna be it for this video. I do thank y'all for tuning in. Catch y'all on the next one. Go.